Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Triton GLX Ute. Stock reference number 4969. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre four-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual four-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre four-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front door has 3 dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black cloth centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, transfer shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.